Hey, it's Mickey, and welcome to ModelSpace. Today, I'll walk you through building your first simulation using our GUI. First, you want to load up Visual Studio and open the folder where you installed ModelSpace. If you haven't installed ModelSpace yet, check out the link in the description for a walkthrough on that. Once that's loaded, run the following command in the terminal to open up the GUI. The first video in this series explained the key functionality of the GUI, so watch that video first to get familiarized. To build a basic orbit propagation sim, you need a few key models, and then you're free to customize your spacecraft for your mission from there. First, you need to load a spacecraft model. Then, you have to specify what planetary body will be affecting the spacecraft. ModelSpace fuses high-resolution ephemeris data from JPL's SPICE toolkit, so just enter the object's name into the planet name box to change that. Next, you want to initialize the orbital parameters of your mission and flow that information into the initial position and velocity of the spacecraft model. To add in custom numeric inputs, drag in input boxes from the left and type your pre-selected values into that box. This requires you to have a base-level understanding of orbital mechanics, which is outside the scope of this video. Lastly, you want to add in 3D visualization capabilities and connect the outputs from the body of your spacecraft and the inertial frame of your planetary body. Then click Run, and a Chrome browser should pop up with a visualization of your mission. Congrats! You just built and ran your first simulation in ModelSpace. Feel free to play around with the graphics and the GUI and see all the different ways that you can utilize it. Follow along with the rest of this playlist to see all the ways that you can use ModelSpace to help design your mission. Happy simming!